Hello everyone, welcome to my science diary. Today I'm welcoming you to Mastering IGCSE Chemistry. I'm so excited to begin this journey with you. Whether you are studying at school, preparing for your Cambridge examinations, or learning chemistry on your own, this course is designed to help you understand every concept clearly and confidently. By the end of this course, you won't just memorize chemistry, you will actually understand it. Okay, let me ask you questions. How many of you have heard someone say chemistry is difficult? Or maybe you have even said it yourself. The truth is, chemistry is not difficult. It only seems difficult when we memorize without understanding it. In this course, we are going to understand first and then memorize later. We will study everything in your Cambridge syllabus. We will begin with the states of matter, then atoms, chemical equations, moles, organic chemistry, the periodic table, the practical chemistry, until we have completed the entire syllabus.
We will read or learn chemistry through the series where I made some episode on each topic, and in every episode we will understand concept in simple language, learn important keywords and definitions, study diagrams carefully, and solve numericals and exam styles questions, connect chemistry with the real life examples. My goal is not just to help you pass exams but to help you truly understand the chemistry.
So, if you are ready to begin this journey with me, grab your notebooks, bring your curiosity, and let's start exploring the amazing world of chemistry together. I will see you in the episode What Chemistry Really Is. See you in the next video.